Hi everyone, this is JP LaForce from Studio JPEG. In this video, I will do an autofocus test for the T2i with the EF 50mm f1.8. So this is to show the sound and also the speed that the lens focuses. So let's start. I put it at infinity and I'll see how fast it goes. So that's the noise it makes, and that's how fast it can go from infinity to almost close. So let me reset it. Alright, so let's try this again. So overall, I think this lens is still pretty fast. It's definitely not a USM lens, so it does suffer from a bit of speed. It does make a bit of noise. It's not very annoying, but it is noticeable. If you're looking for an absolutely quiet lens, this is not the one for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it helps answer your question. Please click the like and subscribe buttons, leave a comment, questions, suggestions below, and have a great day.